Welcome dear students to the value-added course offered by the Mathematics Department. The name of the course is Graphing and Plotting Techniques. The credit of this course is 2 and total duration is 40 hours. Myself Parag Ajani, and this course, the students can do this course starting from the semester 2 to semester 5. Now this is the outline of the syllabus that what we learn in this syllabus, that is types of data and function, plotting data with Microsoft Excel, plotting using Scilab, plotting using GeoGebra, and interpretation of data and its plots. So this is just a brief of this syllabus, and in this we are going to learn how to use bar chart to analyze some data given below. So we may come across different types of data in our day-to-day life, which we are given in terms of numbers. Here we have an example of a survey of students. Favorite after school activities was conducted in the school. So the students having different types of activities and which are their favorites, it is given in form of numbers. Say for example, first one is play sports. The number of students are 45. Talk on a phone, the number of students are 53. Visit with friends, which is the most favorite activity of the students, it is 99. Earn money, the number of students are 44, and so on up to the last activity is watching TV, that is 37. So while the data is given in terms of number, the same representation we can do it in form of bar chart that we are going to learn in this syllabus. So this is what the bar chart represents, the number and its corresponding activities. And looking to this bar chart, one can come to know that which is the most favorite activity of the students, which is the least favorite activity of the students. In a similar way, which is the most likely or most average favorite activity of the students, and so on. Another example that we are also going to learn that how to use pie chart to interpret the given data. So the following pie chart give the information about the distribution of weight in the human body according to different kinds of components. Study the pie charts and answer the questions. So this is just a task which we are given to us, and this is the distribution of weight in a human body that is represented in terms of pie chart. So from the first chart you can see that the total, out of total amount, bones are 1/5 portion, muscle is in third 3 of 10th portion, skin is 1 of 10th portion, and the remaining portion plays an role of 2/5 portion of total amount. In a similar way, distribution of weight in a human body. So out of total weight, water is of 65%, protein is of 24%, and remaining dry elements are 11%. So this is just a distribution of weight in a human body, and looking to this pie chart, one can come to know that how each of the things is distributed, whether it is equally distributed or unequally distributed, and so on. And based on this, we have some questions which we can answer by looking to the pie chart or bar chart, and so on. So these are some example questions. By looking to the chart, you can answer these questions as an activity for this syllabus. So this is just outline of the syllabus. Much more thing is contained in the syllabus. So if you are interested to join the syllabus, you can contact Mathematics Department, room number 322, myself Parag Ajani. Thank you all. Have a nice time to each one of you.